Here we are on the classwork for 4.17. Goal for today is to do 1 through 10, and it's pretty much a review of what we've been doing, so nothing new, just more practice. So in the top section, 1A through E, it says write an expression using math vocabulary for each expression below. Now in some of these, they give you specific words to use. Like here they say use the word less than, use the word quotient, use the word product. So remember, for something like part B here, so when they want us to use quotient, that's one of those sentence starters. So the quotient of, and then something and something. So here it would be the quotient of B, and then you can write this in many ways. You could say D plus 2, the sum of D and 2, any of those things. Now in D and E, they don't give you any words that you must use, so it's your choice. Now in the bottom section for the rest of it, at least through number 8 here, 2 through 8, write the expression for each statement. So this is when you're going in and, highlighting. So I would say this one is probably the trickiest one, number 6 here. The quantity of 5 plus x decreased by the quantity of 3 plus y. So there's a lot going on here, but there's no switching words. So quantity of is parentheses. Quantity of 3 plus x, so that's the first one. Sorry, 5 plus x. Decreased by is minus the quantity of 3 plus y. This would be a good one that as you go along, you might want to cross them off as you take care of things because there's a lot happening. And then 9 and 10 are more of those real world type scenarios. So a tricky one is sometimes 10. Bill has the more than 3 times the number of baseball cards as Frank. Frank has F cards. So we have to start with what Frank has. Frank has F cards. Now Bill has D more than that. So we're going to add D. He has D more than 3 times the number of Frank. So that 3 times would just be attached to the F because it's just 3 times the amount of Frank. All right, so if you need more help, as always, you can come to office hours, send me an email, but that's all I'll do for now.